Hi everybody. Today what I'm going to show you is how to identify concepts for your websites and how to optimize your website for those concepts so that when Google crawls your website and indexes your pages, your website will come up in the search engine for those concepts. And the idea that you want to do, you want to have one optimized page for each of the concepts, and that page is going to be receiving traffic from that particular concept. So to identify a concept, I'm going to go into my Google Analytics account, and then I'm going to click on the Acquisition tab, and then the Search Engine Optimization button and the Queries button, and that's going to show me all the queries that have made my site appear on Google Index. So I can see that for Responsive Website Builder, that particular keyword has appeared my site has appeared for that particular keyword 1,000 times. It has sent me about 250 visitors. Okay, so as you can see, I'm pretty well optimized for queries such as Responsive Website Builder. But what I'm going to do is find more queries to optimize my website for. So first, just going to add more rows to this report to get more information. So I'm going to make it to 500, and then I'm going to go into the advanced search and specify exclusion so that I only get the keywords that I'm looking for. So I'm going to exclude my own branding from this report. Okay, so that way anything that has Ecomobi in it won't show up. And then I'm going to also exclude everything that contains responsive. Because as we saw earlier, I'm well optimized for that. I'm trying to identify keywords that does not contain responsive. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to find keywords that have sent me visitors already, but that I would like to get more visitors. So I'm going to go with the clicks and make sure that these queries have sent me at least one visitor. And then finally, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a little trick that one of the thing is that usually people on search engines, they click on the result that's on the first page. Okay, so if you have, for a particular keyword, if you rank on the second page and you just make it appear on the first page, you will increase your number of visitors dramatically by going to the first page. So I'm gonna look for keywords that have sent me at least one visitor so that people do not find the result on the first page, but where my site is ranking on the second page. I'm going to choose for the average position, something that's greater than 9, so that way it will show me keywords that where my site appears on the second web page. And finally, I'm going to just choose those keywords where I have appeared at least 50 times so that I don't waste time with keywords that are not being searched for. So I'm going to apply this to my report. Okay, and immediately I see that I have an opportunity with concepts that include something like mobile website software, mobile website builder software, and so on. So as you can see, for those type of queries, I appear on the second page. Okay, and there's quite a lot of visitors actually, but what I'm going to try to do is optimize a page and come up on the first page of Google, and that should improve the number of visitors on my website dramatically. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a second tool, which is called ubersuggest.com. I'm going to be able to enter the beginning of this query, so mobile website, and it's going to suggest me other queries related to that one. So I'm going to copy the mobile website beginning here, and going to ask the tool to suggest more keywords for me. Since I'm targeting the English language in the USA, so I'm going to select, I'm going to leave that in right now. I'm going to click the suggest button. So now what it's doing, it's coming up with suggestions for type of keywords that people might be searching for on Google concerning those type of queries. So mobile website is one that I want probably optimized for. I'm going to add as well mobile website builder. Okay, I'm going to choose it here as well. Mobile website creator. Okay, so people are looking for that. I may want to optimize for that. Website builder, builder software. And I'm going to go through the list and select everything that is pertinent for my website. Okay, I may not optimize for all of them, but in the next step, what I'm going to show you is how to make sure that there's actually being people are actually searching for those keywords. So mobile website editor. Of course, if you have your own, if you're doing this for a real website, I highly recommend that you go through the entire list. Okay, but here I've added a couple to my shopping cart, and I'm going to get the list and copy it, and then I'm going to enter it into Google AdWords to see the number of visitors that those keywords could be sending me. So now that I have a suggestion for keywords, I'm going to copy them, and then I'm going to go into Google AdWords. I'm going to go into the tools section. Okay, so I'm going to click on tools, keyword planner. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to come back, and I'm going to do a search for new keywords and ad group ideas. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste the keywords that the previous tool suggested to me. So I'm going to paste the keyword here. Okay, so all the keywords have been pasted. If I had a longer list, I would have pasted everything. Again, I want to make sure my targeting, my language is fine, that my keywords option is fine as well. Okay, if I already have campaigns running, I may want to turn off some of those ideas here. And then I'm going to click the Get Ideas button, and Google AdWords will suggest keywords for me. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the keyword idea. And again, now what we're seeing is that we can see the average monthly searches for each of the terms. So you can see now that for keywords such as mobile website builder, there's 3,600 monthly searches, versus for creator there's only 590. So I probably want, since I'm already ranking well for that keyword, I probably want to rank for builder instead of creator, because there's a lot more monthly searches concerning that. And also here I have a bonus that if I optimize for mobile website builder software, I'll get the traffic for both the software, the second version and the first version. Okay, so that's how you identify your keywords, and then in AdWords, that's how you make sure that those keywords actually have visitors. And then what I'm going to show you in the next tutorial is how to create an optimized web page to rank for those keywords. So if you have any questions, I recommend that you send me an email at support@ecomobi.com. It'll be a pleasure to help you optimize your campaign. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.